Good afternoon. This is Chantel Jefferson. I'm giving you information this evening in regards to a recent marketing initiative that I am proposing for JG Inc. This particular proposal surrounds the topic of biodegradable plastic bags and the opportunity for our company to join in on this growing market, especially since the company has a definitely a sweet spot for sustainability and offering products and services already that are providing the globally alternatives to various different products and services. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. Bioplastics are made from organic renewable sources such as vegetable oils, corn, grains, and they're comprised of uh, two different topics. We have compostable plastic, biodegradable. Compostable plastic is definitely more durable. It actually, when it decomposes, it turns into humus that actually serves as a nutrient for soils. Biodegradable products, they break up in the presence of microorganisms and they're made from natural byproducts. So they're very soft. Compostable is hard. Biodegradable products are relatively soft. These are some of the resources that are needed or now actually are used in manufacturing biodegradable products. So you see some starches, you see PLA, see cellulose ester, but these are just some examples of the resources that will be potentially needed in producing some of these products. Why are these products necessary? They're an alternative for all conventional plastics. They offer innovative solutions with enhanced properties. They're distinctive ability to reduce emissions. So they're just naturally designed to help reduce emissions, help reduce pollution. They provide qualities and functionality as that of conventional plastic. So you're going to be able to get that same soft plastic film paper, and you're also going to be able to get that hard plastic, durable uh, plastic product for a table or for a bottle. You'll get that in biodegradable plastics. What's driving this? Of course, it takes thousands of years for plastic to decompose, and when it does, it harms the plants, soil integrity, harms animals and people. There's plenty of regulations that are now starting to pop up and become more prevalent, and they're targeting fast-moving consumer goods organizations, sectors in the business world, your fast food industry, your medical industries, your industries that use plastics daily. They're going under a lot of scrutiny here recently to start looking at different options to be able to reduce these emissions. And this is coming down from various governments and federal agencies globally. As you see, the biodegradable plastic bag and sack market it's been anticipated to actually stay pretty flat. So 338, because right now they're averaging $338 million a year. And this is with very little competition on the market. Everyone has somewhat of a specialized um, niche that they have. So this $338 million figure is only for a small amount of companies. So that's pretty good. Some of our competitors that are out here are Tetra Pak International SA, Plastic Suppliers Inc., and Kruger Inc. I have this Venn diagram to show that they're all related because guess what? They all specialize in offering biodegradable products and plastic substitutions. Just to highlight some of their features, Tetra Pak International SA, they target the food industry. They specialize in food packaging and industrial filling machines. So you can buy an actual filling machine, an industrial filling machine that fills their own products. So this can be used by a commercial entity or even a private person can make their own products. And they also they provide design and branding options as well. So I mean, consumer, commercial, they can come in, design their product, design their merchandise, and it's all in one. Plastic Suppliers Inc. They service consumers and commercial as well. They specialize in pure biopolymer packaging film, and they do a lot of packaging products. And they offer compostable and biodegradable options. They offer boxes that are biodegradable, lining for boxes that are biodegradable. So companies can actually buy these products and pack their products in, and they would be in compliance to some of these regulations that are coming down by governments all globally. Crew Green, another one, food industry, fast moving consumer goods. This is definitely targeted toward that industry. They produce specialized papers. They have a patented cellulose filament paper that they use for packaging paper films that goes inside of packaging that people put their food in, wrap bread in. They do food labels that are biodegradable and stand-up food pouches. So you see your little chip bags and snack bags. They actually make those, and they don't necessarily offer a lot of customizable options for their customers, but they do definitely promote that their products are cost effective. So that is one of their main selling points, that they are the cost effective option. Now for us, it is recommended that we actually look at over-the-counter pharmaceuticals. And the products that we would actually produce would be comprised of paper and compostable plastic. So definitely more durable, and the paper the materials would actually be used for pill casings. So your pills that you punch out the back of them and you pull your pill out, those dropper bottles for children that are younger, allergy medicine, Tylenol, cold medicine, pill bottles, and even exterior packaging that we would actually specialize in. And this would be definitely catered towards commercial entities that actually manufacture and distribute over-the-counter drugs. We would definitely offer customizable design options, so we could definitely allow companies to put their own creativity into their packaging. They have their own ideas, coloring, concepts, etc. And we can also provide branding services. So where if you have a company that's wanting to get into the market, we could offer them some branding services that can get them on the way. The United States over-the-counter pharmaceutical spending. People are spending in the United States $350 million a year on pharmaceuticals that are over-the-counter. So these are your random just drugs that you get, your allergy medicines, your aspirin, your eye drops, your anything you can think of over the counter, $1 a year on that. And where are they selling at? Pharmacy locations. There are 54,000 pharmacy locations in the United States, and there are 750,000 retail locations that sell over-the-counter drugs. That is a lot of access to get into the industry. Pharmaceutical market value. So this overall, just as it stands, in 2018, it was at 88.88 billion, and it is anticipated to grow in 2026 to 153.30 billion. That is a big jump. There's a lot of growth in this industry. We have our baby boomers, we have our older citizens that are going to start getting up in age, and of course, they're going to be using more prescription drugs, and this is reflecting this particular concept. Internal consideration and requirements in being able to even get started with this. We do need to make sure that we have the right people in the right place to do what's needed to be done to manufacture, design, sell, and distribute our products. We need to make sure that we understand the time that it's going to take to manufacture, distribute, and to sell our products. What machinery do we need? What materials are going to be comprised in our products? And what money is going to be required to compensate for financial expenditures to manufacture and sell products from the beginning to the end? The external considerations. We'll be a niche market. We have very little competition. There are not that many players in this market. But of course, once we get in it, we know that will change very quickly. So as this marketing continues to grow, we must stay innovative and continue to provide new products and services to retain our competitive standing. Now, our recommended pricing strategy, it is recommended that JG Inc. focus more on our marketing strategy. We don't want to be all about sales. Most of our competitors, they do not list their prices online. You do have to inquire of them because of it is a niche market. You really it's not uncommon to see that. We would definitely follow suit. We would more than likely on our website have an inquiry form that can be submitted by a commercial client, or we would actually have a toll-free number that they could, one of the representatives from their company can contact one of our sales agents, and we'll be able to offer them a personalized sales experience. Our products will be sold at fair market value. It will be based on quantity, size, differentiation of the product, material costs, and company overhead. Initially, it is recommended that which is not uncommon, that we offer penetration pricing to gain market share with entering markets. So in this, in the beginning, we will be able to provide some incentives to customers that are new customers to us, and to keep them, and to be able to have them spread the word, have them tell their other clients that are in that field, or other people that they're working with, about our company. So I think that that'll be definitely a good idea for us. Our recommended distribution strategy. Now, we would definitely want to um, do a business to business distribution model. I've been saying that, definitely have commercial customers. And the reason why we don't want to list our prices is because we require a specialized sales team that's going to have that really, extensive experience and knowledge of our products and services to sell our product. We don't want to leave that in the hands of just anyone. Our products will be sold in large quantities, and it would be best suited for JGJ Inc. to keep distribution functions in house. Our promotion strategy. We're a digital world. Definitely going to use content marketing, social media, email marketing, referral marketing, sponsor some events to provide customer experiences, working with influencers to increase our brand, offering some free samples, refunds, rebates, and creating customer loyalty programs for our clients. So ultimately, getting into this particular business is a win. There's a lot of growth in this business, in this area. We will be able to come out with an innovative product and take this sector by storm. I definitely hope that you consider this recommendation. I think it'll be a great option for JGJ Inc. to proceed with this. But I really want to thank you for your time. Once again, my name is Chantel Jefferson. I am coming to you from ABC Marketing Firm. And if you want to reach out to me, and with any additional questions, you want to definitely converse about this again, I can be reached at cj@abcmarketing.com. Again, I thank you for your time today. I hope you have a great evening. Goodbye.